live in a small cottage in the countryside. For me, the country is much better than the city because it is peaceful and I feel very close to nature. The air is always clean and the landscape is beautiful in every season. On weekdays, my life is quite simple. I wake up to the sound of birds, not an alarm clock. There are many working farms in my area. In the morning, I often see herds of cows or sheep moving from one field to another. Sometimes I have to wait in my car because the animals are crossing the narrow lanes. It is much slower than city traffic, but it is also much less stressful. In the afternoon, I enjoy exploring the local environment. There is a vast forest nearby with many hiking trails. I usually follow a path that leads to a wide, sparkling river. On warm days, I sit on the river bank and read a book. Occasionally, I see a fox or a rabbit running through the tall grass. The community here is very small. I live in a tiny village with a local grocery store, a primary school, and a cozy pub. Because it is a small place, I know all of my neighbours. We always stop to chat when we meet on the dirt roads. In the evening, the countryside is incredibly quiet. There are no streetlights, so the sky is full of bright stars. I spend a lot of time in my garden, growing organic vegetables and taking care of my fruit trees. Life in the countryside can be a bit lonely sometimes, and you definitely need a car to get around. However, the scenery and the quiet life make it the perfect place for me. Do you live in the countryside? What do you like most about it?